Going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. So I'm just going to do a little bit of analysis for you on XRP using the 4H time frame. Now I'm only going to look at this bit of data that we can see here. Now I don't feel like it's too important to go back in time. Now what we can see basically simply is that price is moving down here and now we've started to push up. But what I'm looking for, because you can see that price here is consolidating, you can see that we've had this little bit of a bottom put in here, alright, and then we've had this like double bottom that you can see there, which is a good indication of a reversal or continuation in the trend, as price is failing to take out basically a major area in this case, which I would think is going to be a higher low. Now what I'll be looking for to get that continuation, if we're going to get this uptrend, is that price starts to take out, for me, is this structural high here. I'm not going to use these because we have had this candle close a little bit higher up. Now my issue is, if we start breaking out of this area here, like so, say we get a 4H candle pushing up and breaking out of trend here, like this, up to this point, my issue is that we are going to be running into some major resistance, again, not too far away from this breakout in this area. So the question is, if we push into this, are we going to stall out again? Now, who knows, and that can be completely down to Bitcoin. Now, if we just go on to the 1 day time frame, we can see things a little bit clearer, and you can see, we are really low down here. We are really low down, and we've got a long way to go. And this is, talking small scale time frames, basically, if you look at it in the grand scheme. Now, what you can see is this bit of a downtrend that we've had, and you can see there, price just stalling out, bumping into this area of resistance here, as this is a major area, a lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we've been, putting in the lower low, and you can see we're running into this, we're getting the wick rejections. Now, like I just said, we are going to run into a bit of trouble here in terms of struggling to break out, because you can see for a long period of time, price was failing to push up there. Let's just have a look. Is my tool not working? My tool isn't working. Right, okay, that's fine. So I am expecting price to run up to that, and if we get a breakout from there, it's only basically a 5% move up to that. But then, things start to get a little bit more interesting when we start breaking out of this area. So what I will be looking for at first, initially, is a breakout of this area of resistance that we just talked about. And then, of course, we want price to push up. Now, you might get some high highs, high lows within this little push up. Let me just put this on. So you might get a little retest of this area, and then we're looking for that continuation. Now, when we get this continuation, I will be looking for price to start breaking out of this area, like I just said back there, and then you can start to target these higher highs up here, like this, for example. This is a key area of resistance that we'll run into, and then, of course, up here will be another key area of resistance. So let me just use my measuring tool because my cursor weren't working then. So once we've got that breakout from there, then we've got some better percentages that we can start looking at. Basically, 19-20% move up to there, and then from that point onwards, we're going to be getting, what's this? Let's just see, another 5%. So you could be looking from a breakout of this, a 25% move up to there, which is quite significant, and can't be too disappointed with that. And of course, then we can start looking higher, further back in time at the, more areas of resistance. But I don't feel like at this moment of time it is too necessary to start going too far back, as of course we're only here now. We can only predict things day by day, week by week, and for me, I really don't see the point in going too far into the future, as anything can happen, as we all know, in the crypto market and in any market. So yeah, that's basically it. As I've said, I am looking for the breakout of this area of resistance that we're going to run into after this consolidation. And then, of course, once we've got that breakout of here, perhaps we'll get a bit of a pullback, retest of this area, of which will then be support. And then, of course, that continuation. And then again, looking for the breakout, like I used on the daily time frame, a breakout of this area, this high. And then we can look for that continuation up higher. So yeah, that's my bullish outlook on XRP. That might not be the case, and we might just reverse, we might bump into this, and then of course, we might start breaking down. If that is the case, I will do an update on that, but for now I'm just going to do a little bit of bullish analysis and what to look out for if we are going to get buying opportunities. So that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. More updates to come, crypto pairs. Any feedback, any comments, anything you'd like to know, let me know in the comment section. Be more than happy to reply to you in there. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, and I will see you all in the next video.